Okay, question number 11. It says evaluate 9 to the power of minus 3 over 2. Evaluate means you have to find out the value of this. So when it is whenever we have negative index, that means it is in the form of fraction. So you can also write it like this: 1 over 9 to the power of 3 over 2. 3 over 2 means can also be written like 3 times 1 over 2. So you can take them separately. 9 to the power of 3 will be 9 cube, and anything to the power of half is a square root. I can also write it like this: 9 to the power of 3 and the square root of that. So 9 to the power of 3 is 729 square root, and my final answer will be 1 over 27. Now, question 12. The table shows information about the number of text messages Lona made each day during September. This is the class interval within which she made different kind of messages, different number of messages. We have to draw a frequency polygon for this. So remember, you have class intervals and you are doing frequency polygons. We plot frequency against the midpoint of the class interval. First step is to find out the midpoint of all these class intervals. So midpoint of this one will be 5. This is 15, 25, 35, and 45. Now frequency is on your y-axis and the number of text messages is going to be the x-axis. And remember, for number of text messages, we are going to use midpoint. So first one is 5 and 5, 5 and 5. This is a little bit tricky scale on this graph because one big block is equal to 5. That means two small blocks will be equal to 1. So be very careful with that. Next is 15 and 6. 15 is here, so just 2 above 5 will be 6. Because I'm doing it on the screen, it is going to take me longer here. Next is 25 and 11. Again, 2 above here. And then 35 and 6. 45 and 2. And then all you have to do is join them with a straight line. Make sure your lines are straight. Again, because I am doing it on the screen, my lines are not going to be very straight. And this is your frequency polygon. So your lines have to be straight. Part B of this question is, let's have a look. What is part B? What percentage of days in September when Luna made 10 or more but fewer than 20 text messages? It should be 10 or more but fewer than 20. So this class interval, it is says equal to or greater than 10 but less than 20. So it is, we are going to take the frequency here, which is 6, and the total of the frequency is 30. But we have to find out percentage, so it will be 6 out of 30, because it is percentage, multiplied by 100. So I can cross cancel. 3 times 1, 3 times 2. If you don't know how to cross cancel, it is 6 times 100 divided by 30, which is equal to 20%.